Hi, this is Attorney Feng, immigration lawyer from New York City. The Department of State announced a great news to waive in-person visa interview for major working visa and academic visa. This is definitely a great news. So right now, if you meet certain conditions, you don't need to go through the in-person interview. You just need to mail your visa application package and wait for the determination. Today, we're going to share 3 tips to help you to get the visa at your first try. So this policy basically waive in-person visa interview for all the major working visa, including H, L, P, O, Q, and academic visa, including F, M, and J visa. So you don't need to go in-person interview. You just need to prepare a perfect visa application package. So the first tip is to prepare evidence to prove that you meet the in-person waive condition. So this requires you to apply for the visa in your resident country or in the country you have a citizen. Second of all, you have to prove that you were previously approved a visa. So you can prepare your current passport and a previous passport with approved visa page. And if you have not been rejected of any visa, which is great, but if you have been refused of a visa, you have to provide evidence that the reason for such refusal has been overcome or waived. So for this part, I suggest you consult an experienced lawyer to prepare evidence to prove that. So this is the first tip. You need to prove that you meet the in-person interview waiver condition. Second of all, if you are applying for working visa, H, L, P, O, Q, then you need to have a working visa petition approval from USCIS first. And then besides the documentation list on the consular office website, in addition, you need to prepare an employment verification letter from your employer, including your job title, job duty, your salary, and detailed contact information of your employer. At the same time, we suggest you inform your employer to have a designated personnel. It's better to be HR who understand your job to prepare to respond to the possible U.S. consular officer's inquiry. They're going to verify your employment with your employer. Any no response or the wrong response will cause the refusal of your visa. And if you're applying FMIJ academic study visa, besides the documentation list on the consular website, you need to prepare your financial status, like bank statement, to prove that you have enough funding source to support your stay and study in the US. And also you need to prove your tie with your home country, such as your resident, your family members' residence, and your job offer from your home country. And last but not the least, you have to prepare the documentation that what's your study plan in the US and what's your career plan after you graduate. This is the second tip. The third, go through your social media and any post that you post in any forum and clean up your post that may negatively impact your visa application. So once you have done those 3 steps, and you are able to prepare a perfect visa application package, and you have very high chance to get your visa approval at your first try. If you like our video, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.